Welcome to the art of the possible. Santa's Supply Chain Christmas. Holly to the rescue. A story of transformation by the Holistyx Group. In a world where even the North Pole isn't immune to global challenges, one jolly CEO faces the crisis of his career. When tariffs threaten toy costs and immigration policies impact his legendary workforce, Santa Claus discovers that sometimes the best Christmas magic comes wrapped in digital transformation. Join us for a tale where tradition meets innovation, and where an AI bot named Holly proves that no challenge is too big when you have the right strategy and a little holiday spirit. At North Pole Toys headquarters, Santa Claus faced his biggest operational challenge yet. Surrounded by charts showing declining profit margins and staffing shortages, his normally jolly face began to crease with worry as tariff reports and immigration policy documents scattered across his desk.
Ho ho. Oh no. My toy manufacturing and global delivery operation is getting squeezed by tariffs on one side and immigration policies affecting my elf workforce on the other. I'm not sure even Christmas magic can fix this mess.
Holly, the AI bot from the Holistyx Group, materialized on Santa's desktop as a sleek, futuristic AI bot with glowing circuits and a friendly digital face, pulsing with blue light as it processed Santa's challenges with enthusiasm.
Santa, I've analyzed your situation and good news, your problems are totally solvable. Let's diversify your suppliers to dodge those tariffs, implement some AI-powered forecasting so you're not guessing toy demand, nearshore your production, and automate the repetitive stuff. Your elves will thank you when they're doing creative work instead of assembly line duty.
Santa and Holly worked together at a whiteboard workspace covered with a SWOT analysis matrix and stickies. The atmosphere shifted from crisis to collaboration as Holly gestured enthusiastically at different sections, clearly energized by the strategic challenge.
You know what? Let's dig deeper. How about we run a good old-fashioned SWOT analysis? I didn't become the world's most reliable delivery service by accident.
Now you're talking my language. Okay, strengths. You've got the most trusted brand on the planet and 300 years of perfect Christmas deliveries. Weaknesses, those pesky tariffs and your seasonal staffing crunch. Opportunities, automation, regionalization, and AI are about to be your best friends. Threats, policy chaos and those shipping bottlenecks that keep popping up. But hey, we can handle this.
Santa's expression darkened as he pulled out a file labeled Grinch Threat with security breach reports and counterfeit toy photos. Holly's display immediately shifted to red alert mode, processing the threat data with fierce determination.
There's something else. I've got a Grinch out there actively trying to steal Christmas. Cyber attacks, counterfeit toys, the whole 9 yards. This isn't just business anymore, Holly. This is personal.
Ooh, now we're talking. I love your fighting spirit. Let's build you a Grinch-proof fortress. Multi-factor authentication that even the Grinch can't crack. Product serialization so every real toy is traceable. And an incident response playbook that'll have you 3 steps ahead of any sabotage. That Grinch won't know what hit him.
With a solid action plan and new defenses against the Grinch, Santa was ready to save Christmas. Behind them, multiple screens showed a complete action plan with timelines and KPIs as Holly's circuits glowed with warm, festive colors.
Holly, you've saved Christmas. Seriously, you've given me hope when I thought all was lost. Now what can I possibly give you for Christmas? Name it. You've more than earned it.
Well, since you're asking, how about we schedule a deeper 60 to 90-minute strategy session with our team at the Holistyx Group to really optimize your operation? Or, even better, maybe you could introduce me to some of your colleagues who might need a little AI-first digital transformation magic? I hear the Easter Bunny's logistics could use some work.
And so, Christmas was saved, not by magic alone, but by the powerful combination of Santa's centuries of wisdom and Holly's cutting-edge solutions. From supply chain optimization to cybersecurity defenses, from SWOT analysis to strategic planning, Santa learned that transformation doesn't replace tradition. It protects and strengthens it. This holiday season, the Holistyx Group reminds you that every challenge is an opportunity, every obstacle is solvable, and every leader deserves a partner who believes in the art of the possible. Because when innovation meets dedication, anything, even saving Christmas becomes achievable.